So today I'm here to share with you guys the Marvel Spidey and his amazing friend Spider Crawl 2-in-1 headquarters playset, okay? Guys, Santa brought this for the kiddos, and so I thought I'd share with you guys just how amazing it is, okay? The cool thing about this is the fact that it can transform into a vehicle, okay? So right now you guys are seeing it in the headquarters form, okay? But you can also transform this into a vehicle. Just to give you guys a close-up of this incredible set, first and foremost, I should let you know that Spidey, who's up in front, is the only one that is included with this set, okay? The other characters are obviously the other characters that we own from Spidey and his friends. But because I'm sure your kids will probably be playing with more than one character, probably, I thought I would show you guys what you could do with the other characters as well, or any characters, any other play characters you guys want to use for this set, okay? You also get a bonus motorcycle right over here, so Spidey can get on his motorcycle and go ahead and go wherever he needs to go. And as you guys can see, we've got some seats right in here. Super easy to go ahead and put all of the characters in, okay? So all you're gonna do is go ahead and snap him out just like that. Camera as I'm roving over here, just so you guys can see, but super easy to put in. Also got a secret compartment right over here that you can close and open, and so if you guys are capturing any evil characters, you can go ahead and put them right in here. At the top portion over here, and they've got some instruments because you guys know Spidey and their friends love to sing and perform whenever possible. So this area right here that you guys see is where you can place your motorcycle, okay? And there's a ramp that you're gonna see right over here that when you transform it into a car, your Spidey toy can actually hop on his motorcycle and head out on the ramp. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to transform this into a car, okay? There we go. And there it is. Your whole vehicle is ready to go. Go ahead and flip these sides right over here on both sides of the vehicle, and it is complete. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys where the ramp is, okay? So my assistants are doing a great job. There it goes. Skadoosh. The thing you should know is by pressing this right here, it has all kinds of fun sounds as well. So there we go. Just FYI, just so you guys can see where all of your little guys are in. Here they are. And we've got our motorcycle right back here where you'll be able to get the motorcycle out on the ramp. Just so you know, it does move on its wheels. Okay, so it is a vehicle. Go ahead. There you go. There it goes. All in all, this is such a fun set. If your kids love Spidey and their friends, they will absolutely love this vehicle. The fact that it changes into a headquarters, it has multi-functions, there's some fun sounds. It's a little bit of everything, okay? And then there's a bonus motorcycle. You cannot beat that. This is sure to make any child happy.